Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, everybody. It is another day in the markets. Another day in these markets. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. Good morning again. We are back. We are back, my beauties. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, SM, Travis, KK. Let's go to the moon. They didn't even look at the market yet. But we don't care. We are narrow in position two. That's all we care about. Good morning, Mr. Day, with the $1.99 super chat. Good morning, Lino, Tony. Good morning, everyone. Hammer. It is the gold medal today. Let's wipe it right out. Mr. Dave with the gold medals. Zen Method. Let's go, Lino Roadshow. Look at that team. JJ. Thank you. Good morning, SM. Appreciate you. Thank you, Lino. Everyone, hashtag Mr. Dave. Lino, Zen Method in the chat. Let's go, everybody. Thank you, JDM. Good morning. Good morning, Patrick. Good to see you. Facial Blaster. Yes, it is. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Yes. Sue Felicia, good morning. Bump, 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 bump. SSJ, good morning to you. TikTok has this new A, and you know the next letter feature, where before we go live now, it cleans up the visuals. Does it look more cleaner today? We're testing it out. I'm one of the testers. Do I look more clear? Does everything look more clear on TikTok, or is it the same? Let's go, let's go, let's go. More clear? Hello, Poppy Dom. Yes, it is. Good morning to you. Facial Blaster, thank you. Sue Felicia, thank you. What's up? Denise Cartwright. Seems more clear. All right. I just do what they tell me to do, folks. You know, it's like my wife. I had a honey-do list all week, and I did it. And I realized something before we get started, my beautiful traders, is that when the wife gives you the honey-do list, just do it right away and get it over with. Because what I used to do was push it to later in the day, and then I would forget certain things to do, and then, you know, then you're on the honey list, the bad boy list. You know what I'm saying? All right, here we go on the SPY, everybody. We are in a narrow state. We are in position two. We are in position two to the upside here on Miss Market. Yes. All right. Also on Miss Market, 5 minute, we're nice and narrow. Market looks good right now. We got support on the 15-minute right underneath us here at 667. All right, 667. We have major support underneath us as well. So we have something good cooking here, brewing on Miss Market at the moment. Doesn't mean it's going to stay that way, all right? We have a double top up here at 673. Watch that double top. We got a double bottom here at 654. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our execution time frame. We know right now we have room up to 670 and then 673 at that double top up there. So just be careful. You want to get back under 663 hold number. Get under that hold number, okay? And then we have room down to 659 on the SPY. Good morning, our YouTubers. How are you? She expects me to read her mind. Yeah, mine's not like that. I give her credit. She's the love of my life. As my parents said, if it wasn't for her, I don't know where I would be right now. Right now on NQ, let's mark them out for you. I need to know. All right, here we go on NQ. Above 25,086 hold number. We have room up to 25,117 and then 25,197.50. We get back over 24,972. Oh, I didn't put one down here. I'm sorry, everybody. You will have room down to 24,904 hold number here on NQ this morning. Good morning, Chad. Good to see you. Hello, Supreme GXTTI. Good to see you. Just refrain from using the curse words if you don't mind. Good morning, Tesla. Good morning to all of our brand new VIPers from yesterday. Good to see you in there. Welcome aboard. Woo, woo. Look at this one. This one's easy. Look at this one. On Tesla, we don't even have to go to the higher time frames. I like that. Right now, we are in a narrow state on Tesla. We are in position 1. Alert, alert. We have room up to 440.67 here on Tesla and then 443 in this narrow state position 1. Back under 426, get under that whole number. You have room down to 420 and 418. Watch out for Tesla. Katana Lim is in the house. Good morning to you, my Lim. Here we go on Google. If I can't live without your love. All right, on Google, you are in a neutral state. You're in position 2 with support underneath you here at 253. You got room up to 257 on a Google this morning. Back under 247 hold number, we have room back down to 246. Now, 246 to the downside here is the golden goose. Under 246 with a retest, we have room down to 241.50. The Qs. We are in a narrow state on Google. We are in position 2 here on Google with a triple top right there. Got a double top right above that as we mark our major support and resistance levels out here on the Googs. Position 2, narrow state. We got room up to 607, 607.34, and 609 on the Qs to the upside. Back under 600, hold number, we have room down to 596 here on the Qs. Just did the Qs. Thank you, Uncle Nine, for the follow. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. What else are we looking at? Amazon. We won't stop. I thought I told you that. We won't stop. We are in a narrow state here on Amazon. Yes, it is. Double bottom down here at 212.70. All right, 212.70, but we'll show you here in a second. All right, on Amazon, above 217, we have room up to 219. 217 with a retest up to 219. You need that retest, traders, okay? Back under 214.56, we have room back down to 213 on Amazon. Sue Felicia, Zen Method, thank you so much. Joe Trevelyan, Michelangelo, Jessica Pilach, Christina Zen, Tanya, Dr. Suz, what's that say? Dirt Digger, hello, Scotty, Tanya, Frosty, let's go. Hello, Fit. Whoa, Rayon, yes, look at them all. Jules, I love it. Look at all of this support. I can't even move the thing down. There's so many coming in. Adam, Tanya, thank you. Apple. If you're here for the first time, hit that follow button. We're on every day for you, Monday through Sunday. All right, Applelicious. Let's see if we get to take a bite out of Apple. We are narrow on Apple. We are position 1. We have an alert on Apple. When what you doing? All right, Apple, let's pull it back. Narrow state, position 1 on Apple. Apple is officially on watch this morning. We have room up to 252 first stop on Apple. Above 252 with a retest, we have room up to 256.50 on Apple. Back under 248, my beautiful traders, we have room down to 244.50 here on Apple. MP, narrow state. We are in position 1 on MP. You look good on this. Only problem is you got your 5-minute 200 up there. All right. All right, let's pull it back. MP, you got room up to $94 hold number. Above 94 with a retest, we have room up to $99 on MP. Get back under 89.61, my traders. You have room down to 86.50 and then 82.44. AMD. The train just keeps training along. Right now on AMD, we are in a neutral state. We are in the whip zone on AMD. Anyone catch some of that AMD yesterday? To the moon! Above 239.21, you have room up to 240 here on AMD. Do not expect the same as yesterday, all right? Because we are in that neutral state. Back under 234, under the whole number here, we have room down to 230.44 and 225.50 on AMD. Nvidia, yes it is. All right, on Nvidia, we are in a narrow state, position 2. Our first stop here will be 183 and then 185 on Nvidia. Please mark those levels down. Back under 178.63 here, we have room down a 177 hold number on Nvidia. MU. How we do in the market, VIP, yesterday? Were we green or were we red in the market? Put it in the chat, please. Were we green or were we red yesterday in the market? Let's see what our VIPers did. Green, 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 green. Look at all of those VIPers. One red, that's okay. Green. Thank you, green. Look at this on YouTube. Green, green, green. Do we love the VIP? Does the VIP work? Holy Nikes. Does the VIP work? Duco the purple dog. Adam, Duco, thank you so much. Guess it works. We are in a neutral state here on MU. Neutral state position 2 to the upside here on MU. We got major resistance up here at 201 on MU. You got a double bottom here at 106.50. Jesus. Think you guys got a good teacher in that VIP, huh? Neutral state on MU. We got room up to 201. Watch this level up here. This is major resistance. Got a little bit of a supply area up here at 201. I wouldn't be going long on this. You got to see what your retracement level is. At the open, you'll be looking in that way. This is not financial investment or tax advice. This is for education purposes only. And you must trade at your own risk. Your current 50% retracement level will be around 196. Your 25 retracement level will be around 197 here on MU. We get under 196 with a retest. We're coming back down to 192 on MU. Oh, thank you, Marcus. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate that. How do you get into the VIP, traders? You're going to head over to theVossTrading.com. All right. Or you're just going to click the link in my YouTube or TikTok bio. We have a lot of YouTube people that have been coming over into the VIP. A lot of YouTube people. TheVossTrading.com. Click the link. $49.99 a month. We have live training every Tuesday night at 7 p.m. by me in the live training room. Every Tuesday night. We're going to be digging in on those Tuesday nights, so come prepared moving forward. PLTR to the moon. Let's see what we got here. PLTR, we are in a neutral state. We are in a bearish neutral state here with a bullish position 2 to the upside. So at the open, do we want to chase PLTR to the open? No, we do not want to do that, traders, because we are in a bearish state, okay? So be very, very careful of that because you won't get anywhere. You will chop around. On PLTR, we have room up to 184 and then 187.50 here to the upside. Back under 178, get under that hold number, traders, and you have room down to 176. Mara, hello, Chad. I haven't done Mara in a while. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Someone asked me the other day, can anyone learn how to trade? And the answer is absolutely, positively yes. Anybody can learn how to trade. The question that I had in response to that is, are you willing to learn how to trade? That's the question you have, my friends. Are you willing to learn how to trade? Right here on Mara, back over 23.25. We have room up to 23.50 and $24 up here on Mara, okay? Back under 22.73, under 22.73, we have room down to $22 on Mara. Travis says the VIP is amazing. Thank you, Travis. Can you take the pain? That's true. Can you take the pain? That is the question. A lot of people, when it comes to fight or flight, they're gonna run away, and that's all right. Some people are like that. Right now, we're in a narrow state. We are in position 2. We got some resistance up here at 607. All right, 607 and then 609 on them Qs. You want to get back under 600, hold number. That's major support level. Under that with a retest, you're coming back down to 596 on the Qs. IWM. The one like you. And we have eliminated 90% of all the fake Voss accounts. They finally banned them all. Congratulations, everybody. Any fake Voss account, keep reporting. We eliminated 50 of them. 50 of them. We are in an arrow state on IWM, and we are in position 2. We have room up to 253. Under 249.64, we have room down to 247 and 245.50 on IWM. You're narrow. Got a lot of narrow states today. Going to get a lot of good moves today, everybody. Just make sure you help us out and REPORT them, okay? Just keep hammering them. I had to do it like 100 times for each one. Adriana Rodriguez. Thank you for those roses donations, everybody. I appreciate that. Thank you. Google. Because I'm relentless. All right, here we go. We are in a neutral state. We are in position 2. You have room up to 257 here on a Google, okay? Back under 247. Get under that hold number for me, all right? And then we have room down to 246 here on the Google-roonies. RNS Ventures, good to see you over there. We're going to do a little Miss Market for you right now. Miss Market, we are in a narrow state. We're in position 2. Since we're narrow on the 5 and the 2, we have room up to 670.28 and then 673 here on Miss Market. Back under the whip zone, we under 663. We have room down to 659 on Miss Market. Just because we have a gap up right now, traders, doesn't mean we're staying up. At any moment's notice, we can be right under that whip zone, coming back down to 659. Remember, we aren't trying to predict the market. All we're doing is reacting to what the market tells us to do. So we learn how to trade based on when Miss Market tells us a direction, what setups we trade in that direction. That's all we do. We're not here trying to predict which way she's going to go. We will never know which way she's going to go. We only listen to what she says. When Miss Market says we're going up with the proper setup in the correct market cycle, in the correct state, and with the correct event. That's where you have to change your mindset. MSTR. Too many people are trying to predict. You're not going to be consistently winners in the market trying to predict it. Okay? Remember that. That's a hard thing to understand in the beginning because we think we have to predict it. You don't try to predict it. You just go in the direction of Miss Market, right, VIPers? We go in the direction of Miss Market. That is all we're doing. We are in a neutral state in position 1 here on MSTR. We have room up to 306 and 309. Let that 20 catch up to the narrow state before we go long, because right now we are in a bearish state. Back under 296 hold number, you have room down to 292. Denise Cartwright, the beautiful Denise Cartwright, Boeing for you. Oh, Denise, you can tell she's a VIPer. Yes, it is. Here comes Boeing. Here comes another alert. We are in a narrow state. We are in the whip zone. Alerts here on Boeing. Let's mark out our major support and resistance. All right, Denise, this one's cut and dry for you. Above 214.72, you got room up to 215, but you want to get over 215 with a retest, and you got room up to 217.66 here on Boeing. Back under 213.88, my beautiful traders, you have room down to 212.51. Now, here's something important I want to teach you guys, okay? If this starts coming up, here's your candle. We do not go long here. First of all, we do not go long. This is a poke through into a hold number. We get over the hold number. We do not go long here. We retest this hold number. We go long with an event there, right there, okay? Taylor Gibbons with the follow. Yes. BT. Oh, you like my BTC analysis now. Yep, I know. I get it. I get it, my beauties. I get it. Let's see what we got. Preach, he says. Preach. Yeah, in the beginning, you were all like, nah, I don't like this guy. But then after time goes by, you say, I got to like this guy. Because he knows what the hell he's talking about. Yes, it is. All right, let's see what we got. BTC, are we ready? Whoa. Above 112.350, 350, you'll have room up to 113.592 on a Bitcoin. Back under 111.038.98, you're coming back down to 110.377. You got it, Ryan. No problem, my brother. The Forex market, I have, yes. Do I do it full time? No. I do not. Moves too slow for me. Tesla, you got it. I only trade between 9:30 and 10:30. That is it. If I wanted to sit in front of a computer all day, I wouldn't be a trader. Right now, we're in a narrow state on Tesla. We are in position 1. You have room up to 440.67 and 443 here on Tesla. Back under 426. You have room down to 420 and 418 on Tesla. Bum, 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 bum. XRP, you got it. It's awesome. Whiskey. We are in a neutral state on XRP above 2.486. You have room up to 2.5137. First stop here on XRP. You want to get under 2.4194, and then you have room down to 2.3877. Hello, Talons. Coins, you got it, brother. We are at 77,000. 77,000. We should be at 100 right now. Let's get to 100. Let's go. We're going to put our 5-minute 200 there. Boom, boom. All right, right here on coin, we are in a bearish neutral state. We're in position 1. You got room up to 346.20 here. If you can get yourself into a narrow state above 346.20, you have room up to 359 on coin. Back under the whip zone of 335. Get under that whole number. And then we got room back down to 328. Meta, yes. Can you guys mark out supply and demand as fast as me? Ready? Go. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Yes, it is. We got room up to 724 here on Meta. We are narrow in position 2 on the Meta Roonies. 724 on Meta, okay? Back under 714. Get under that hold number. You have room back down to 710 on Meta. You're welcome, Ryan. You're welcome. How we doing? Good job, Andrew the Believer. SCHW. Charles Schwab. Everyone do this with your head. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We are in a narrow state on the Schwab of Charles. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. All right, Charles Schwab, narrow state. We are up there in position 3. You got room up to $99. $99. Watch that area. Back under 98. All right, currently this is where we are. Back under $98 here. 25% retracement level will be $97. $96 will be your 50% retracement level. Back under here with a retest, you can look for a move back down to $97 and then $96 here on the Schwab. You're narrow. All right, you still got more room to the upside here on Charles Schwab. Just be careful because you will be getting a pullback here, okay? Boom, 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 because of the position, all right? RKLB, yes. Boom, 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 boom. All right, RKLB, narrow state, position 1, alerts, alerts. We have room up to $74 here on RKLB, $74. Back under $69, you have room down to $68 here on ARKLB. Watch this double bottom here at 67. All right, under 68, down to 67 and $66. Mr. Kevin and Curtis, yes. Thank you for the follows, everybody. If you're here for the first time, hit that follow button. UNH. UNH to the moon. You guys, I love it. You guys are hammering those roses. I love it, my beauties. All right, here we go on UNH. We are in a narrow state, position 1, alert. You got room up to 364 here on UNH, 364. Above 364 with a retest, you have room up to 369 on UNH. Under 359 hold number, you have room down to 357 on UNH. Yes. Daniel Cercio. How are you, my brethren? MU. Good morning, girl mom. Tangled Zarn. We do shorts and we do longs, my brother. All right, here we go on MU. Right now, we are in a neutral state on MU. We are way up there in position 2 on MU. All right, well, start in position 3. You have room up to 201 here on MU. 50% retracement level from 201 will be $97. Right here at 99 will be your 25% for a possible move to the upside. Under 97 with a retest, we're coming back down to 192. Bump, 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 bump. SERV Robotics. Let's see what we got here. Get it? Robotics. See what I did there? I'm a robot. How are you? I am a robot. Are you a robot? No? All right, here we go on SERV to the moon. We got room up to $18.63 and then $19 here on SERV. Back under $17.28. You got room down to $16.50. Jesse Balamio, I trade equities, brother. SOXL, everything we teach you in the VIP, it doesn't matter the instrument that you trade. Everything we teach you in the VIP works with all instruments. You must learn how to trade price action. If you can't trade price action, you can't trade anything. Just think about how many times traders have switched from options, equities, penny stocks, Forex, futures, and still we're not good. You're going to head over to the VossTrading.com or click the link in my YouTube and TikTok bio. You're welcome, Chad. That is where you get into the VIP, and we are going to teach you how to trade properly. And you will start learning how to trade properly. All right? SOXL. And then, yes, you will have your oh my God moments. Or just keep doing what you're doing. Those are your choices. We'll be there when you've had enough. All right, SOXL. We are in a neutral state, position 2. We got room up to $43 on SOXL. $43 here on SOXL. Back under $39.41. You have room down to $39 hold number on SOXL. Hello, my Shelly. Here they come. Shelly, Daniel, Walter. Yes, it is. Let's go. Thank you, beautifuls. I appreciate you. Dr. One Fly said he's had enough. Yeah, I mean, listen, you have help. I'm here to help you guys. I can't force you to do it. All right? All I can do is lead you to water. You got to drink it. Caterpillar. Just the smoke. And do me a favor. Don't stop believing, all right? And I mean that. I mean that. You all are capable of doing this. Don't let anyone tell you you're not capable of doing something. Ever! Because those people gave up on their dreams. Don't you give up on yours. Caterpillar, we got room up to 538.61 and 539 here on Caterpillar in a neutral state. Under 532.70, you have room down to 528. IWM, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, narrow state on IWM, position 2. We have room up to 253 here on IWM. 253. Back under the whip zone of 249.64. We got room down to 247 market. Thank you, Daniel. Shelly. Zen Method. Thank you so much. Tanya, Shelly, Zen. Beautiful. Oh, I love you guys. Thank you so much. SMCI. And a full of blood. Right now, we're in a narrow state. We are in the whip zone. SMCI alert. Always check those higher time frames. You never know when one of those granddaddies is sticking out. I mean, you got to watch. SMCI above 54.50. You have room up to $55 and $55.50 here on SMCI, okay, traders? Back under 53.76. We have room down to $53 hold number on SMCI. Thank you, thank you. Kenny is lurking. That's all right. You can lurk. You can lurk, my brother. Gold, GLD. Let me take a look at this on the daily for a second. Oh, yeah. All right. That ain't starting to extend now. You're going to have a hard one on this one. Be careful. GLD. All right. GLD right now, we are in a neutral state. Okay. We got to play this carefully. Neutral state position 2. Watch your whole number here at 391. That's the next thing we're going off of. Your 50% retracement level, my beauties, is 389.50. Your 25 retracement level is 390. All right, when we come back, this is the way up. Under 389.50, you're coming back down to 388 on GLD. Just be careful on this, please. You're starting to get neutral. All right, neutral. Amazon. Don't stop. American Airlines. You got it. Coming up next. The feeling. All right, currently right now on Amazon, we are in a narrow state. We are in position 2 to the upside here on Amazon. Double bottom here. All right, Amazon, you have room up to 217, first stop, and then 220.51. We're going to put Amazon on watch as well with Apple here this morning. Under 214.71 on Amazon, you have room down to 212.50. Double bottom. AAL. AAL here, you're in a neutral state. You're in the whip zone. Be careful of anything to the upside on this, as it will be choppy because of the state of your stock here on AAL. Just let me redo these for you. Boom, boom. All right. AAL above 1252. You have room up to 1270 area. Neutral state. Be careful, please. Under 1234, you have room down to 1225. That'll be your first pivot. And then 1220 and $12 here on AAL. Hello, Parvev Baloo. Good to see you. Remember, AAL has a small ATR. Okay? Small ATR. Who knows what ATR is? Put it in the chat. Oracle. All right, Oracle, we are in a narrow state. We are in position 2. You got room up to 311 here on Oracle. 311, above 311 with a retest in a narrow state. You got room up to 315 and 320 on Oracle. Back under 302, get under the whole number. You have room down to 299 and 297. Average true Rangers, you're close. You got to take out the RS there. You're close. 11, hello, Paulo. You guys are in it to win it today. I love it. If you're here for the first time, hit that follow button. We are on every day, Monday through Sunday. Yes. Soundhound. Soundtown, we are in a neutral state. We are in position 2, above 21.80. Well, above $22 with a retest. You have room up to $23 here on Soundtown. Back under 21. Get under the whole number. Do not short into the whole number. You have room down to 20.50. Microsoft, let's go. Let's go. We are at 133,000. 133,000. Yes, we are humming like a machine. We have an amazing train here. Are we ready? Davion, mind blown, adorable dead. Bill Boyle, thank you for all those donations. 5 minute. All right, Microsoft, listen up. Narrow. We are narrow and tight on the 5. 2 minute, narrow, position 1. Alert on a Microsoft. Let's go get it. Let's go get it, baby. Let's see what we got. Who's that? Lino with the money gun. Lino. John with the pumpkin and the roses. Walter. Thank you, Walter, with the goats. Let's go get some dinner, boys and girls, on Microsoft. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is. Remember, this is not financial investment or tax advice. This is for education purposes only, and you must trade at your own risk. We know we're narrow. We know we're in position 1. We know we're coming off a flat 200. We have room up to 519 and 522 here on Microsoft. Under 511, we have room down to 506. Remember, we don't care if we go up or down. We don't care which way we go, traders. All we care about is our events. We're in the right market cycle. We have the right state and position, and then we execute. See? Bump, bump. I mean, you guys are just bringing it home today. Should we keep going? You guys just keep bringing it home today. I love you guys. All right, C, here we go. We are in a neutral state. We are in the whip zone here on C, my traders. Okay? Get up on the dance floor. Above $100, major resistance level here. Alerts, alerts. Above 100 with a retest, you have room up to 101.50 and then 102 on C, all right? Back under 98.85, you have room down to 97.43. Yes. Google. Keep your clothes on, people. Don't listen to this person on the song. Google, we are in a neutral state. You're in position 2. You have room up to 257 on Google. Back under 247.37. Watch the whole number, 247. And you have room down to 246 on Google, okay? Remember, Apple is on watch this morning. Apple is on watch. We are in a narrow state, position 1. We're looking beautiful right now. We have room up to 252, first stop on Apple. 252 and then 256.50. Back under 248. Under the hold number, we have room down to 244.50. All your clothes, I am in it. Yes! It's getting hot in here. All right, let's do a little ES. I got to mark them out for you beautiful traders. All right, here we go. ES to the moon above 646.25. Right here, market. You have room up to 6767. Hold number on ES. Back under 6732.75. You have room down to 6722 on ES. Market, hims and hers. I can't. All right, hims and hers, we are in a neutral state. We're in the whip zone. Starting to get a little wide on this, so don't look anywhere that way until you get back into that narrow state. You're going to have to wait that out, okay? That's what patience is all about in trading, is waiting for our setups. And if we don't get them, we don't trade them, right, traders? So here on hims and hers, I wouldn't look to anything to the upside. Under 58.44, we have room down to 56 and then $55 on hims and hers. You're not looking long until that 20 gets closer to that 200. Let it all out. A free Discord? No, we don't use Discord. That's a cesspool. Uber. Uber, yes. We are in a neutral state on Uber. It doesn't look too good right now. We're in position 1, but the state is You have room down to 92.51 on this. You got to get back over 95.18 on Uber for a move up to $96 and $97. Do me a favor, Trinity. Wait until we get a little tighter here, okay? Wait until we get a little tighter on Uber. eBay? Holy moly, we haven't done eBay in a while. All right, let's see what we got on eBay. We are in a narrow state on eBay. We are in the whip zone currently on eBay. All right, folks, eBay above 92.11. You have room up to 93.50 here on eBay. 93.50 and then 94.70, $95 area. You're narrow, so that's good. Under 90.50 here on eBay, you have room down to $89 and $88 on eBay. CCCX. We are at 150,000. Let's go as we march to 200,000. Yes, it is. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. CCCX, you got room out of the whip zone in a narrow state up to $25. First stop is $25. Above that with a retest narrow, you have room up to $27 on CCCX. Back under $22.50, you have room down to $22 and then $19. I am new. How do you know where to place the lines to define the zones? K-page are your major support and resistance levels on your higher time frames. We will teach you that and all of that in the VIP. If you are brand new to trading, the VIP is where you want to be. We have a bunch of traders in there who have never traded before, and we will teach you how to trade. You're going to head over to thevosstrading.com. Or just click the link in my YouTube or TikTok bio. That'll get you into the VIP, and then we'll get you going on your trading journey. Zen Method! Yes, it is! Thank you, Zen. Nvidia. Nvidia right now, we are in a, let me see. Narrow state. I'll put you in the narrow state category. You have room up to 183 and 185 here on Nvidia. Back over 178.63. We have room back down to 177 on Nvidia, my traders. Which gold do you want? You want futures? You want GLD? What do you want, my brother? Miss Market. Yes. You know who Miss Market is, everybody? Who is Miss Market? What does she do? What does Miss Market do, everybody? Here's trivia for you. What does Miss Market do? You want to get into trading? Any tips? Yes, get in the VIP. Link is in the bio, my brother, and we will show you. Yes, Miss Market runs the show. She is in charge of all markets. We are in an arrow state position 2. You have room up to 670 and then 673 on the SPY. Back under 663, you have room down to 659. GLD. I whistle better than they do. Right now, we are in a neutral state on GLD. Watch 391 and 392 up here, okay? You are neutral. This is the gift that keeps on giving. You will retrace back. They all do. You have room back down to about 390 and 389 here. Back to the downside. Then you can look for another move to the upside, okay? Yes, it is, Travis. It runs the show. We are at 162. Let's go. We all got a tippity, 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 tippity. Let's go together as a team. Tip, 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 tip. Rigo Garcia, thank you for the confetti. I appreciate that. JL Haba and Rayon. Mason Camlets. Yes, JL Haba. Thank you. Tesla. We are in an arrow state position 1. Alerts on Tesla. You got room up to 440.67 and 443 here on Tesla. Back under 422.37. You have room down to 420. It doesn't matter, Puente. Free, you're just getting a little taste. Also, look at in the free in the community all the VIP testimonials. Okay. Lino, I need you to do a video testimonial for me, okay, brother? Tesla long term? I can't answer that, but all I can tell you is this on Tesla long term. Are we ready? Are you ready for volatility? Long term on Tesla? Can you handle the volatility? This is the daily chart. Can you handle from 240 to 440? Up, down, up, down, up, down. That's what you have to ask yourself, okay? Only about 30 seconds, Lino. Thank you, my brother. You got $1,000 right now. What should you do? Go buy your wife or girlfriend a beautiful gift. INOD. INOD. We are in a neutral state here on INOD. We are in position 2 on INOD. Whoa, don't take that long. You're going to reject right there at 186, my lordy. All right, let's see what we got here. INOD, you're already in a neutral state. You have major resistance here at $86. If you can get over that with a retest on INOD, you'll have room up to $90 here, okay? Watch the state of your stock, please. Back under $80.95 to the downside, you have room down to $73. Sounds good, Puente. Where you from, Puente? Where you from, my brother? Thank you, Chris Marulis. How are you, my friend? Make sure we hit that follow button, all my beautiful traders. Hit that follow button. Let's go. I want to see everyone hit that follow button. Yes. Hit it. Hit it. This song is dedicated to the VIP. PayPal. Right now, we're in a neutral state. We are in the whip zone here on PayPal. Okay, be careful there. Triple bottom there. All right, on PayPal, above $68.75, $69, we have room up to $70 on PayPal, okay? Under 670, 67.82, you have room back down to $67. Is it difficult being the best teacher ever? I don't think I'm the best teacher ever. But thank you very much. I appreciate that. I just want to help people. That's all. If I can help you, great. If I can't help you, I'm sorry. But in the end, you got to do the work. I could just give you the blueprint here. But I hope you guys succeed. I really do. Right now, we are in a narrow state. We are in the whip zone here on a Riot. All right, on Riot, let's pull it back. Above $22.54, you have room up to $23 on Riot. Above $22.54, it's $23. With a retest, you got room up to $24 on Riot. Back under $21.99, you have room down to $21.80 and then $21.50 on Riot. What time frame are you using for these states? You learn that in the VIP. Let's talk about it. All right, you'll learn all about state, okay? But you always want to trade on multiple time frames. Let's talk about it. Your major support and resistance will come off the 1 hour. All right, roll call. Hammer, Jess, Zen Method, Duco, Mason, JL, Haba, Walter, Bill Boyle, Adorable Dad, Andrew the Believer, Marcus, JDM, Mr. Dave, Lino Rocha. Thank you so much. Kyle, Facial Blaster, Sue, Felicia, Three Best, Candy, Frosty, EL, Dirt Digger, Tanya, Dr. Trades, Jessica Pilach, Christina Zan, Tro Trevelyan, Michelangelo. Look at all these beautiful people. Ian, Rayon. Let's go, baby. Jules Swims, Kay Braden, User. Look at this beautiful community. Jonathan, Shelly Stringer, Duco, Hammer, Jess. Yes. Thank you. If I missed anybody, I'm so sorry. There's so many people in there, and we're running out of time. I love you all so much. Guys, listen, you can all do this, ladies and gentlemen. You can all learn how to trade, but you got to learn how. Let us teach you, okay? VIPers, we will see you in the chat here shortly. Have a great day trading, everybody. You have a lot of narrow states, okay? Be patient and go enter on your events. Have a great day, everybody. Be nice today. Give somebody a hug who needs it, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.